Best Dual Sport Motorcycles 2025, Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports. The 2025 Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports is making waves as one of the best dual sport motorcycles of the year. Renowned for its exceptional blend of off-road prowess and touring comfort, this latest model continues to set the standard for adventure-ready bikes. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports is a powerful 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering a robust 101 horsepower and 77 lb-ft of torque. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery and impressive low-end torque, making it ideal for tackling challenging trails and long highway stretches. The 6-speed transmission is well suited for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. The motorcycle features a sophisticated suspension setup, including a fully adjustable 45mm inverted fork and a rear Pro-Link shock. This advanced suspension system ensures superior comfort and control, whether navigating rough off-road terrain or enjoying a smooth ride on paved roads. Technology and features. The 2025 Africa Twin Adventure Sports is equipped with cutting-edge technology designed to enhance rider confidence and convenience. A full-color TFT display provides essential information and easy access to navigation, while multiple riding modes, including off-road and rain settings, allow riders to customize the bike's performance to suit various conditions. Advanced features such as cornering ABS, traction control, and cruise control contribute to a safer and more enjoyable riding experience. The Africa Twin also boasts an adjustable windshield and heated grips, ensuring comfort during extended journeys in diverse weather conditions. Design and comfort. With its rugged design and practical features, the CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports exudes durability and style. The bike's high ground clearance, large front fender, and protective crash bars make it well equipped for off-road adventures. Meanwhile, the spacious and comfortable seat, combined with a well-designed fairing, enhances long-distance touring comfort. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda CRF1100L Africa Twin Adventure Sports stands out as a top dual-sport motorcycle, offering a powerful engine, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. Whether exploring rugged trails or embarking on cross-country tours, the Africa Twin delivers a thrilling and reliable riding experience, making it a standout choice for adventure enthusiasts in 2025.